everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be doing this. I do have this has come, but I'm going to need to get a new lamp. But for now I'm still going to use this because it's all I've got at the moment because my lamp is broken. So I need to get a new one. So since I'm having to use just one of these, just this, I'm still having to do one nail at a time. So I'll zoom you all in. Now that you're all zoom in, you can see my Christian fingers. Sorry about the little marks on my fingers like that. I was just painting. Right, I've already done the base coat to it, so I'm not going to show that. So this is the colour I've chosen, and you'll see why once I've put the charm on. So you unscrew it as you normally do, and you just scrape a little bit off, and look at that beautiful red colour. Look how shiny it looks. So I'm going to go middle, then right, then left.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out cause you were in red.
And the back, you can see this nice. You can't really see anything on camera, so if I bring this up as close as I can bring it, but you can see the blue tack underneath, or pink tack. So this means it's a little bit sheer. Look at that gloss on it though. And I've coated all the sides. If I turn it upside down, and you can see it all. Now I'm going to cure this, and I'll be back in a flash. Next up, I'm going to be putting a top gel on. This one. So enjoy another speed run of this being done.
Man, against my intentions, I let you turn me.
And I'm back. Right, I've not cured this yet, the top coat, because I'll be putting some of this on. Some glitter. This is called Sugar Rush and Mix. Glitter, cookie, sugar rush and mix. So I'm just going to grab my little tray. Oops. There we go. Right, so I've got the tray. So I'm going to place that in there. This lid, it's just a lid that I got when I got me wipes. So I've just taken the lid off. Put that like that. And since this isn't cured on the top, so we undo it just like that. And this is, try not to spill it. And I'm just gonna just top it off like that. Make sure it all goes in. Maybe not the whole jar. I'll put the jar to the side, and then I'm just going to hold it. I'm going to tap. And look at that. And I'm just going to brush some of it away, because I'll be putting the charm in the middle right here. So I need just to clear enough. Make sure this just like that. Just like that. So there's a nice flatness to it. Just like that. Take that off there. I'm going to be covered in glitter for days. So if anyone has any tips or advice how to get rid of glitters on your hand, because I don't know, other than washing hands, which will probably be a good idea. Right, so now I'm going to cure this again, so I'll be back once this is, and I'm back. For the charm, you ready for the charm? and be putting this lovely charm on, which is why I went for the red and the nice sparkly glitter. And the charm is going to go right there. You shouldn't really be using your hands for this charm, but because this charm is massive, I'm just going to use my hand. And look at that, I am covered in glitter. Right, I'm actually going to be using my wax pencil. I should be doing by example, not by everything else. So I'll just put it on the charm like that. This makes it easier. And for the sealant, I'll be using my trusty giant sealant. And just for this, I'm not going to be putting it on the nail. I'll be putting it on the charm because there's a bigger surface to do, so it's easier if you do it on the charm. So I'm just going to place it on. And try and show you at the same time. And I'm going to place some right where I want it. Right there. Excuse the fact that I'm shaky. So we'll just stick it right where I want it. I'll hold it down with that. Oh! Try and make sure it doesn't slip. I'm just going to quickly adjust it with my hand, with my fingers, which probably is not the best idea, but it's all I've got in the morning. Moment. Now that that's all done, I'm going to cure this once again, and I'll be back with a photo montage. So that's going to end it for this video, and I'll see you all in the next. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.
Violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, mid